afternoon everyone, my name is Ashra and these are my teammates Shukri and Safwan. So today we'll be talking about Keelcrab Sail One. So during this presentation I'll be talking a little bit background about Keelcrab. Safwan will be talking about the innovative features and Shukri will be talking about the advantages, disadvantages and some recommendations to improve the product better. So what is Keelcrab? Keelcrab is a hull cleaning robot originally made in Italy to carry out automated cleaning where it cleans and removes algae and vegetation on the hull of the ship. It also carries out hull inspection activities to ensure that the hull of the ship is always well maintained. So Keelcrab is invented, one is because to reduce pollution caused by chemicals used by millions of vessels. Because as man uses to clean the ship, they use chemicals, acids which may pollute the sea. Also, it reduces the risk of underwater operators. As you can see in the picture, it's an object by itself, so it reduces the risk of underwater cleaners to go underwater every time it needs to clean the hull of the ship. Okay, now I'll pass the time to Safwan, who will be talking about the innovative features.
Thank you, Ashira. As mentioned earlier, I'll be talking about the innovative features of the Keelcrab Sail One. Firstly, I'll be talking about its versatility. Keelcrab Sail One is able to carry out automated cleaning and is able to check the condition of the hull for maintenance. Hence, the user is able to check on the hull condition without diving into the water. It carries out the automated cleaning using brushes with nylon bristles, which improves the efficiency of the removal of vegetation on the hull. The user checks the condition of the hull through the high-resolution camera. Speaking of which, this brings me to my second feature, the remote control with display. The user is able to view the cleaning from a 7-inch display remote device, allowing a clear review of the process. An intuitive directional button on the remote control device allows the user to control the cleaning process, directing the product to any section of the hull or simply to check the conditions of the ship on whether a maintenance is needed. Hence, there is no need for the user to dive into the sea to check on the conditions of the ship on whether it needs to be cleaned. The remote also gives the user an ease of use as it's simple to use. Now I pass the time to Shukri.
Alright, thank you, Safwan. So, I'm going to start off with the advantages. Firstly, it lowers ship's fuel consumption. So, ship runs on fuel, and if there's a lot of vegetation formed on the hull, there will be a greater resistance between the ship and the water, and more fuel is needed. So, with the Keelcrab, it helps to ship off the additional weight and therefore lower the ship fuel consumption. Secondly, it also reduces air pollution. With lesser fuel consumption, there will be lesser harmful gases emitted to the atmosphere and in turn reduce the air pollution. It also has hull inspection capabilities. Moving on, there are bound to be disadvantages. Firstly, the Keelcrab Sail One is not suitable for large ships because of its shape. It is also difficult to clean corners and bend areas as it is like a rigid square, and it fails to function above a ship's waterline. So with that, our recommendation is that we feel that the robot should improve its shape by taking up a more flexible structure and also to be available in different sizes to cater to much more larger ships. In conclusion, we feel that Keelcrab Sail One is revolutionary because of its features that stands out. As there are no hull cleaning robots which are as convenient, advanced and innovative in the market, we feel that Keelcrab Sail One is one of the most innovative technologies thus far. And with that, we end our presentation. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's it? That was my